Hi, my name is Steve. I'm a technician here at M2K, and today I'd like to introduce you to our Nissan Consult 3 Plus software package. But first, this is an OBD2 Breakout Box. It does allow you to do circuit testing while still being connected. Also, it's important that you have a battery maintainer plugged in at all times while doing any diagnostic and programming work. Voltage fluctuations can damage either your device or your car, so it is very important. Now getting into the Consult 3 Plus package itself, it does start off with a simple VI2 device. This is a diagnostic head that plugs into your vehicle. We do carry a number of commercial-grade Panasonic and Dell laptops, so the software can be installed on. Now this is a unique dealer-level package. It is all offline. It includes the basic diagnostic and programming software. There are also a number of optional add-ons for it, like the GTR diagnostic and programming software card, the electric car battery card, and NATs. In addition, the user gets all calibration files up to date, which saves them from having to download each one individually anytime they need it. They will also get a code generator function so that they can work with the immobilizer and any other security features in the car. Now, there is an optional Nissan Assist package as well, and this includes service information, technical details, wiring diagrams, etc. Thank you for watching. This sums up our Nissan Consult 3 Plus software package. Please contact us for more information or for a quote.